Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is another unboxing video and I am going to unbox one of the most popular bag now in Singapore, rather all over the world, because yesterday influencers has started posting the photo of a GO-14 in their Instagram, and I know a lot of you has noticed it, and I have an unboxing video of the few weeks ago, and this is the link and this is the thumbnail. You can find it in my channel. But today we are going to unbox the smaller size, which is called the Pico. Pico is my personal favorite look because this bag tends to be a little bit bulky because of its MALLETAGE finish. I'm going to explain the MALLETAGE later, but it has this crisscross pattern that is a little bit puffy. So the other size makes it look a little bit, bulkier, but this Pico size is just the perfect cute bag. However, there is one thing that is not really acceptable for this bag, and I'll tell you that later. Let's just get it on with the unboxing now. Just a quick one, if you're new to this channel, my name is Murphy, and currently as I'm recording this video, I am a sales advisor here in Louis Vuitton, Singapore, and this channel is all about Louis Vuitton products and luxury brands in general. So if you're into this kind of thing, consider subscribing. So let's start unboxing this cute Pico size of GO-14. So this is my colleague Rashid helping me with unboxing, and just to take note that this is not the box that you will receive or the dust bag that you will receive if you buy this bag, because there's a special box and a dust bag that comes with this bag, but we haven't received it yet. So this is just a temporary presentation that I'm going to show you. So of course, dust bag and box is a must, and this is how cute it is. Look at it, it's so cute. It has this MALLETAGE finish, which is the crisscross finish, and I know it looks like Chanel, but it is not. If you have watched my previous video, there's a history behind this MALLETAGE texture, and it's lambskin in and out. The lock mechanism is that LV twist lock, and it comes with this chain strap. The difference with the is that the has a handle, but this is too small to have a handle, so that is how it looks like. And I'll tell you guys, this is a very, very small bag, and when I say small, it's tiny. It's a nano level bag. So the sad thing about it is that your phone cannot fit in. The only phone that I have tried that fits in is the iPhone mini. That's it. Nothing else. But I prepared a video for you of how does it look like when you try to put on your normal size of iPhone. I mean, I'm using iPhone Pro 12. I know it's an old design, but I don't want to change. Anyway, so this is the presentation of how it fits inside. My colleague Rashid will try to put on my phone, and you will see the struggle that no matter what angle that you're going to put it in, it's not going to go in. So that's the only problem. Despite of this being so cute, you have to hold your phone if you're going to use this bag. So this is a card holder, a pocket organizer, and a lipstick, and I just want to show you how filled in it is with just these two items. So it's safe to say that this is not really for practicality. This is more on fashion, trend, and small bag collections. There's nothing else I can say, honestly. And I'm going to show you now how it looks like when it is worn. So this is me. I'm 5 feet tall. This is how small it is when I wear it. It is very, very tiny, very small. I don't know what else description I can say to you when it comes to this, but this is really a tiny bag. And this is how it looks like when it's cross-bodied. The strings, I mean the chain, is short enough or long enough or just nice for a height like me. So for Asian height, 5 feet, 5'3", 5'4", I think this is a perfect length for the chain. So you don't have to worry about the chain being too long or too short for you unless you're taller. And also the build of your body also matters. The circumference, it may get shorter as like, you know, wider you are, or depends on your size. The height is not the only one that matters when it comes to the length of the chain. So it's better if you go to the store and try it before you get it. I would highly recommend this to people who really loves small bag. I know a lot of my clients love small bags and they go for it. This is not practicality, and don't complain that nothing fits inside. That's why I showed you what fits inside, because unless you're using that flip phone Samsung or the iPhone mini, then you're safe to put your phone inside. But other than that, even a compact wallet that is trifold, Victorine or Zoe, will occupy the whole space. So this is really an accessory bag. So the price is 6150. I know a lot of you gasp, how come it's that expensive? It is a premium bag. So when I say it's a premium bag, it means that the material used and the workmanship has a lot of effort to it. First of all, lambskin is rarely used in any bags in Louis Vuitton. So having a lambskin is actually quite special piece that you can find in Louis Vuitton. And then the second one is, a lot of you might think that it looks like Chanel, and I heard that a lot with my clients, but this MALLETAGE finish, crisscross finish, is from our trunk. And this is something historical and sentimental with Louis Vuitton, and it's just a story that you can talk to your friends about if you have this bag. This is from the MALLETAGE finish of the trunk. You can find it behind the lid of a trunk. And let's just move past that thinking that this looks like Chanel, because come on, every brand nowadays has a similar finish or shape of each and every bag of different brands. So just choose which one you like the most. But in my opinion, this is a premium bag. This is something different compared to the other bags that we are launching. And this design is timeless, definitely timeless. You can never go wrong with a flap bag in a black color. You can pass it on to generations, so it makes it worth the price. The colors available are the white. I love the black and white, but in this case, I like the black more. I am a fan of a white bag, but not to this one. I just find the black more appealing. But there's this one special color that is kind of like a gold champagne. If you intend to use this bag as an occasion bag, or if you are a girly person who always wears dress, then I think this is a good choice of color for you. But in my opinion, black is still the timeless color that you could have for this bag. So for practicality's sake, this is not it. For the cuteness, for the timelessness, for the most elegant, this is it. So up to you. It's your decision, it's your money. But if you're going for a practical one, go and consider watching my unboxing for the size. And I also talk about what fits inside in there. So you will have the option between the two. But if you're a small bag collector, small bag lover, I would highly recommend to take this as one of your collection, because it's really cute. That's all I can say about this bag. I hope you find this unboxing and a little review helpful. And the next video is about the new Dauphin that we have just launched in the store. And this is the picture. It's called Dauphin Capital. And I will discuss a lot of the features and why I like it the most amongst all the Dauphin bag that we have launched in Louis Vuitton. So just wait for it and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, so it helps with my algorithm to reach more people like you that loves Louis Vuitton products and love updates. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. I update all the latest and the hottest collection in there earlier than YouTube, because YouTube has more effort. So yeah, that's all. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.